Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make brownies healthy. First, consider your sweeteners. Swap out refined sugars for natural options like maple syrup or honey to reduce processed ingredients. Next, choose your flour wisely. Opt for whole wheat flour instead of white flour to boost fiber content. Finally, introduce healthy fats such as mashed avocado or unsweetened applesauce for moisture and nutrients. Let's dive into some smart ingredient swaps. Instead of traditional butter, try using mashed avocado or Greek yogurt. This significantly cuts down on saturated fat while keeping your brownies moist. For that deep chocolate flavor, always choose unsweetened cocoa powder, avoiding unnecessary sugars. A small pinch of salt can also surprisingly enhance the chocolate notes, making your brownies even more delicious. Now, let's boost both nutrition and flavor. Incorporate chopped nuts, such as walnuts or almonds, for a satisfying crunch, healthy fats, and protein. For a sneaky way to add vegetables, try shredded zucchini or pureed black beans. They add moisture and nutrients without altering the taste. A dash of vanilla extract is also key to deepening the overall chocolate flavor, making your healthy brownies truly irresistible. Finally, here are some essential baking tips for perfect healthy brownies. Avoid overbaking at all costs. A slightly fudgy center is ideal for that classic brownie texture. Once baked, allow your brownies to cool completely before attempting to cut them. This ensures clean, neat squares every time. And speaking of staying cool, remember to stay hydrated throughout your day. Check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, healthier brownies.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.